Hello guys, I am Devansh from the Galaxy Tech official channel, and today I want to show you how you can convert an image file into a .txt or text file. Guys, I had given a link in the description box, so you had to open that link. After opening the link, you will reach to this website, and on this website we will convert our image file to txt file. So for converting your image file to text file, you have to click on this choose file button. After that, upload your image that you want to convert into text file. So I am uploading this. After uploading the image, you need to click on the start button, and then your image will be converted into a txt file and your download will begin automatically. Now you can see that in my image, 3 methods to viral video .txt has been appeared. Guys, by this method you can convert an image file into .txt or text file. So guys, if you converted your image file into .txt file, please like and share our video, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon near it. Guys, we will meet in the next video. Till then, watch our other videos and check out our playlist. Jai Hind.